Hello e-formers, how are you? Welcome again in my English class. Well, dear students, this is the sequencing of parts of speech on your screen. Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjection. I have covered these topics, noun, pronoun and verb, in my different videos of different class. And e-formers, I personally suggest you, please do watch the videos of D form of English language, because I have covered these topics, noun, pronoun and verb. Well, today I'll teach you adverb. Well, so let's begin it with positive smile, dear e-formers. Good luck. Let's begin it. Adverb. What is an adverb? Basically, most adverbs tell you how, where or when something is done. So what they tell? They tell you how, where or when something is done. In other words, they describe the manner, place or time of an action. Okay, this word adverb, so it is clear that it adds something in the meaning of verb. It adds something, add verb in the meaning of verb. So adverbs tell you how, where or when something is done. In other words, they describe the manner, place or time of an action. You know action, it is verb. So you can say that adverbs, they modify verbs. Very simple, you can say they modify verbs. Well, so commonly adverbs are formed from adjectives. Some are given here. Remember this word, this thing? Adverbs, they are formed from adjective. Commonly, adverbs are formed from adjectives. Look at here. Kind, it is an adjective, so change it into adverb. Kindly. Happy, happily. Wonderful, wonderfully. Loud, loudly. Sad, sadly. Beautiful, beautifully. Sweet, sweetly. So what I am doing here, I am just adding ly, ly, ly. At the end of every word you will find ly. So you can say many adverbs end with ly. You make these adverbs by adding ly to adjectives. How we make it? Make them adding ly. But do remember, some words that end in ly are not adverbs. Some adjectives end in ly too. So look at these examples. Sam was feeling very lonely. So at the end of this word you will find ly, but this word is not an adverb. It is an adjective. She was wearing a lovely dress. Ly, don't think that it is an adverb. No, it's not adverb. It is adjective. It was a very lively party. So it is also an adjective. Remember. Kinds of adverb. Well, adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of frequency, adverb of reason and adverb of quantity or degree, and last adverb of affirmation or negation. Well, adverb of manner. So it describes in which manner an action is done. It tells manner. in which manner an action is done. For example, he wrote cleanly. How he wrote? He wrote cleanly. So this is adverb of manner. Place, it describes where an action is done. Remember, it describes where an action is done. Adverb of time, with example, in next slide, with example I'll tell you, I'll describe them clearly. Time, it describes when an action is done. Remember this word, when. Frequency, it shows how many times an action is done. Purpose, reason, it describes the purpose or reason for the action. So remember these words: manner, adverb of manner; place, where; time, when; frequency, how many times; purpose, purpose or reason. Quantity, degree, it shows how much or in what degree or what extent. Remember, in adverb of quantity or degree, you have to remember how much. You just ask question how much, what degree, or to what extent. Adverb of affirmation, negation, if says yes, then affirmation, no means negation. Well, let us understand them one by one. Very first, let's talk about adverbs of manner. Some adverbs and adverb phrases describe the way people do things. Remember, it tells the way people do things. For example, the girls answered all the question correctly. So you just ask question, how the girls answered all the question? The girls answered all the question correctly. So this word is an adverb. He was driving carelessly. How was he driving? He was driving carelessly. The plane landed safely. Safely. Ramu plays guitar skillfully. Skillfully. So these words, these underlined words, these are adverbs of manner. If you ask question how, so you will get answer adverb of manner. Now adverb of places. Some adverbs and adverbs phrases answer the question where. You ask question where and answer will be adverb of places. They are called adverb of place. For example, the boys are playing upstairs. Where the boys are playing, you ask question where. The boys are playing upstairs. The dog is in the garden. Where is the dog? The dog is in the garden. We are going to New York City on our school trip. Where we are going? New York City. Adverb of place. It is very sunny but cold outside. Where is cold? Outside. Okay, let's take few more example. I have lived here for about 2 years. Here, it is an adverb. English and German are closely related. Adverb. His children go everywhere with him. Everywhere, adverb. So I think you have understood this adverb of places. Now let's talk about adverbs of time. Some adverbs and adverbs phrases answer the question when. You ask question when, you will get adverb of time. For example, the train has already left. When the train has left, already. So this word is an adverb. We moved into our new house last week. When we moved? Last week. Our favorite TV program starts at 6 o'clock. When it starts? 6 o'clock. It is adverb of time. I am going to my new school tomorrow. When I am going? tomorrow, adverb of time. So these words, these are adverbs of time. Okay, some more example. We shall now begin to work. Now, he called here a few minutes ago. I have spoken to him yesterday. He comes here daily. So these are also adverb of time. Well, now adverbs of frequency. Some adverbs and adverbs phrases answer the question how often. Remember this word, these words, how often an action is done. They are called adverbs of frequency. The children always go to school on the bus. How often the children go to school on the bus? Always. So this word is an adverb of frequency. I'll never make that mistake again. Never. I clean my bedroom every day. How often? Every day. Dad polishes his shoes twice a week. Now, adverbs of reason. The adverbs which tell about a reason is called adverb of reason. For example, he is hence unable to refute the charge. So this underlined word, adverb of reason. He therefore left the school. Therefore, it is an adverb of reason. Adverb of quantity or degree. It shows how much or in what degree or to what extent. For example, she likes dancing a lot. How much she likes dancing? She likes dancing a lot. So this is adverb of quantity. I am rather busy. Adverb of quantity or degree. I am fully prepared. How much are you prepared? I am fully prepared. These mangoes are almost ripe. Almost. So these are the examples of quantity or degree. Well, last type, this is adverbs of affirmation and negation. Which says yes if it is yes and no if it is no. Very simple. I don't know. So this word don't know, negative word, not, negation. Surely, it is positive word, affirmation. Certainly, positive word, affirmation. You got it? So this was all about adverb and types of adverbs. Well, thank you very much, dear students.